name is Suryu. Welcome to my web series. In this series of videos, I would be sharing insights about computers and programming. These days, we see many devices around us, like laptops, phones, computers, and many more. We all grew up with these magical devices. I personally used a laptop or a phone to watch videos on YouTube, play games, and read books online. Now, I use them even more for my schoolwork. Not even one day passes by without touching a device. Like me, did you ever think why these devices were invented? What is going on inside these devices? How programs are built or coded? It is very interesting to know answers to these questions. I will try my very best to share what I have learned and answer these questions. For now, parents are having all of the fun knowing about these devices and programming. We will all get there soon, and I promise, together we will learn and it will be so much more interesting. Check out for my next video, where I will talk about history of why humans invented computers. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to be notified for each of my new posts. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed.